This is Bob, the IT geek. He loves the challenge of the ever-changing field of technology, software, and coding. Since 1998, he's been working on software testing, and then in 2013, he started his own blog. There, he shares great tips and tutorials about system management, technology strategies, and cybersecurity. Instead of using a typical blogging domain name, Bob uses a .blog domain. He went with simply bob.blog. Because of this decision, people can easily remember and search for his website. The .blog domain creates a strong and outstanding identity that helps Bob stand out from all the other IT blogs out there. It makes him look really professional and unique. And he found more and more bloggers is using .blog domain as he do. Bob loves his IT blog and his passion for the software. He'll probably keep blogging forever on bob.blog. Give your domain the edge it needs to get noticed. Visit us at WPWebHost.com/.blog to secure your blog domain today.